Hey guys. Oh my God. So it is several hours later and I done took off my wig. I have not washed my hair, y'all, in about a month. I know because I've just been wearing wigs and I've had it put up and just had it letting my hair breathe for a while. And I bought this night shirt from Walmart earlier today. This shirt was only $2. Talking about an after Christmas sale. It was clutch and it got like the little Christmassy hats and stuff like that. So I was in there brushing up my hair to go downstairs, and I forgot I had this lipstick on, this color lipstick in my lipstick pile. I don't know how it fell out, but it just fell out somewhere. And I was like, let me go put this on because it matched my night gown. So I'm about to go downstairs and get my husband's reaction, if he even noticed. He might not even notice, but I'm pretty sure he will. So, well, I see. Bang. So, huh? Cut the light out? Oh. You don't like it? Why? It matches my dress, my shirt. I put it on for you. Well, I bought the tablet so we can talk about our vacations.
Turn the light off. Because my brother me and I'm watching the game.
You want me to leave you alone? All of what?
You bringing 50 million tablets and damn devices and shit, and recording, you cut more lights and shit, alright?
Well, I came to talk about our 2020 goals. And our goals and our Well, we don't. You want me to go? I'm going to go back upstairs now.
No, but just go ahead and go where you was going. Go put your drink or whatever.
I got my drink over there. Did you see the new drinks that I bought?
I don't know why you bought under that ass drink. I told you to get something big and cheap.
Them was big and cheap. Them was the $1.50.
That boy go drink one of them. 3 of them be gone by the time I wake up in the morning.
Let me show y'all what he talking about. No, he sent me to Walmart to go get some drink because like Sam's. Okay, so he sent me to Walmart to go get something to drink because he said we go through drink like crazy in here. So I bought these little things right here. I got this orange juice right here. This was from Walmart, $1.50. And then I got like all the flavors. I got the berry punch. Let me see. So we got the berry punch right there. This one is the peach punch. This one is the tropical punch. This one is, which one is this? The mango punch. And what is this one back here? This one is the watermelon. And they were all $1.50. So I thought that was a good deal. I mean, $1.50 for them jugs. That was real good. So.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can't get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Oh, convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah. So give me something, give me something, give me something. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, yeah. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, I'm running away from, yeah. Give me something.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more, like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you.
fantasy. Next thing you're all over me, all over me. We act like we're hard to get, but we know this is imminent. Cause we keep falling right into it, right into it. Oh, we were only fun till you show me love. You bring me up into the place I love, the place I love. I can't control myself because I'm very dust. 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 I still hurt, still hurt. I still hurt, think myself. I still hurt. Started out being innocent, big words promised everything, but all along we knew this was bad, this was bad. Gotta end, gotta make it stop. We can't pretend that this is love, but then we touch and it all gets lost in pink clouds and fairy dust. We were only fun till you show me love. You bring me up into the place I love, the place I love. I can't control myself because I'm very dust. 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 I can't control myself because